The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for NIO with the ticker symbol NIO. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So here we have the daily chart for NIO, and it looks pretty weak. We are pretty much near the all-time lows of this downtrend, and it doesn't look like it's turning anytime soon. So let's go over the chart. We had this prior downtrend in play. Prices broke this channel, made two legs up. This is the first leg up. Prices pulled back, made the second leg up. Started finding resistance at the end of the measurable target right around this $13 level, which also coincides with the prior support. So this prior support turned into a confirmed resistance because bulls tried to break through it twice and they failed. So after the sellers recognized that second failure from the bulls, they were like, okay, we could probably make another measure move down, because this was one leg down right here. This is the second leg, and once prices got back below the EMA, you can see that's when the selling started to pick up. So this measure move is reached. We kind of just went flat. Now we're still kind of working our way down. So right now it's hard to say where we're going to go because the target was already met, but it still looks pretty bearish. We're still below the EMA, and we have to look at the macro structure to see a longer term target. But either way, NIO looking pretty bearish. Not a lot of buying occurring at the lower price levels, so most likely the price will probably continue to drop. Here's the weekly chart. Weekly chart pretty much shows that a bubble formed and it popped because NIO was once trading right around the $3 level, and it went all the way up to the $66, $67 level. So that was definitely a unsustainable move for NIO. A experienced chart reader would be getting scared of seeing this, and the reason for that is because they know it's unsustainable and they know it's going to be pretty much a huge move down. After you see prices just start getting out of hand like this, then that's when you know, okay, this is not good. Because most people would be like, okay, we're going to the moon, we're going higher, 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 higher. But an experienced chart reader is the opposite, and they're saying in their head, okay, I don't like this move. I know this is gonna fail because I see it numerous times on the chart. This is all just to pump up the price. It's gonna dump. So they know, to start exiting most of the positions when we get really far with the EMA, or scaling out some of it. That's if you entered over here. So experienced chart reader, that's what they were thinking. They would be thinking, this is unsustainable, I don't like it, I'm gonna get out. But most average people, they're gonna be saying, okay, I love this, we're going to the moon, and this is exactly what happens. The prices just come back down right to the starting point of the up move. So that's exactly what NIO is doing. We haven't reached it completely yet. Doesn't mean we have to, but that is the target if prices continue to drop lower, right around this $5 level. That was the breakout, and prices are still finding resistance at this EMA. So it is a formidable force, and you can see that we're just slowly trickling down to lower and lower price levels. For me to be really bullish for NIO is we get back above the EMA, we shoot right through it, see a couple attempts down that cannot break through the EMA, and then we can rocket up higher. As right now, that has not occurred. This still looks pretty weak for NIO, and most likely once it reaches these lower price levels, it's going to do the same thing as it did in the past, which is this flat line. So once we get over here, there's a good chance we just flatline and just trade back and forth in a small little range, hoping for another catalyst to occur. So NIO looking pretty weak. I mean, this is already pretty low, but there's a good chance we even go lower. But again, I'm not going to be bullish until I see prices spike above the EMA and hold, because every time we get back above it, it's just a failed breakout. You can see that prices cannot hold the EMA on the bottom side. So again, NIO looking weak. I'm looking for that $5 level, and let me know if you guys like these weekly Chinese stock updates. So NIO could be done every Monday with Tesla, or maybe I'll get rid of Tesla. Just let me know what you guys want, and we can go from there. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.